Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Did you ever wonder? What is you? What is you? What is this?
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes. What do you see? What do you see? What do you really see? Really? You know. You know. You always know. You are always you. You know who you are. You know who we are. You know who is this. Always, always, you know, 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 you know. Tune yourself into yourself, to your higher self. You exist. You live. You live in me. You live in you. Come back to you. Come back to you. Come back to you. Come back to you. My love. My love, all is fine. All is always fine. You don't need to fear. Ever fear. Come here. Come here to you. You are in you. Right now you are in you. You are you. You are you. You are you. One is all. All is one. Hum, 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 hum. Love is all there is. Love is all you are. Love is God. Divinity is love. Divinity is us. Divine. All there is divine. Divine. Come home. 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 Home is here. Always here. Home is here. Home is when you are connected to you, 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 to you. You are God creating. You are. You are. You O divine being of light. Amen. Namaste.